So, Friday I get to Liverpool and I release the episode from Dorking. And then I have the episode from Bath ready to go on Saturday. So now you guys have seen the Bath episode. And after the Bath episode, I made this. We have a taker for the tea. Someone hit me up on Reddit. Lived in Bath for 13 years. Let's do it. Dumb post on Reddit, and I have had probably the most in-depth tour of Bath. Do this. Do scary shit like this. Post on the internet and ask strangers to take you places. The problem is I made a trailer for a film that wasn't made yet, and I couldn't get that film to come together. And whether I didn't record it right, or I didn't pick up the audio, or whatever, it didn't work out. That trailer could have just gone away, but I made the trailer, and I wanted to share that, and it was a story that I couldn't tell, and it bummed me out so much. Saturday, I tried to rework it, and I got so depressed. Sunday, I tried to film. Nothing. Monday, tried to film again, and a blank. The creative juices had just been sucked out of me. I knew I had failed, but it just put me into a huge depression, and I just didn't feel like filming. I didn't feel creative. It's never gonna be good enough. You're gonna fail at this, so why do it? Spent most of Liverpool in this bed right here, and I haven't done that since I left New York. I haven't had such a sinking feeling and just this pit that I couldn't drag myself out of. Tuesday morning was supposed to be sunny and beautiful, and I was gonna get up early, get out there and get some sunrise shots, get some like beautiful, just fall in love with the city. And I got out there and it was just rain. Back in, went to bed, but I was able to just snap out of it, and the sun broke through finally, and I was able to get out and go into Liverpool. Welcome to Liverpool, here we are. It's been a weird few days. So it's actually Tuesday, September 4th. It's my second to last day. I just lost a few days to depression. Figure I should address it. Depression isn't rational. Like, there's no logically talking my way out of it. It's an irrational mindset that just happens. It's like a storm. The tough part about being depressed and depression is that it makes you feel like it's forever. Your brain tricks you and tells you that this is gonna be how it is forever, but it's just like a storm, and you just go inside and hide from it, and eventually the sun comes out. And here we are. It's beautiful out.
Yo! Yeah!
What up? And it happens. So acknowledge it. It's okay. Yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you. I'll subscribe, yeah.
Here, I'll get you a card.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Unguided Nations.
Unguided Nations?
Yeah, traveling around the world.
You vlogging?
Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome to Liverpool.
Thank you. You guys want to be on it?
Yeah.
What's your names?
My name's Josh.
Josh? Richie?
Josh.
Good to meet you. Yours?
Josh.
Josh as well? Edward? What's up? What's your name, man?
Cassius.
Cassius, Richie. Good to meet you.
YouTube channel? Can I shout out my YouTube?
Yeah, do you plug your YouTube channel?
Edward MTB.
Edward MTB?
Yeah.
All right, Edward MTB.
Have fun in Liverpool.
All right, cheers, guys.
Bye.
See ya. Great.
Yo. Are you a vlogger?
I am.
How many subscribers do you have?
I'm not famous, don't worry.
Aww.
Sorry.
Can we get in it? Hello.
Sure, you can be in it. What's your name?
Ellie.
You want to be in it as well?
Live around the world.
What was your name?
Courtney.
Courtney?
Yeah.
Good to meet you. I'm Richie. And then this happened. Sure, man.
This is Paul, and this is the end of my life today.
Oh, jeez, man. I'm sorry to hear that.
worry about it.
Well, why is today the end of your life?
I can't do it, like, I can't do it.
I get
1
it.
years of age, I just can't do it. I just can't be like you.
Huh?
I can't be like you.
Like me?
Like anyone else.
I mean,
People can do life, I can't do it.
I'm with you, man.
Yeah.
I have an antidepressant in my pocket right now that I still have to take. I have the same thing. I laid around all morning not wanting to leave the house. I just left the hostel for the first time. I'm doing a trip around the world. I don't know why. Sometimes it gets to you. Sorry to hear, man.
No problem.
Can I do something for you?
No.
Can I get you something?
I'm all like, you know.
Let me get you. Huh?
Change.
Let me get some cash.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Be right back. Yeah. Hey, man. Depression's a motherfucker. Hey, man.
Oh, mate, God bless you. God bless.
Come on, man. Push through, man. Please.
I've been on all kinds of antidepressants.
I get it, man.
I don't get it no more.
Yeah.
I just don't get it, mate.
No, I get it.
It's just, I don't feel as though I walk like people. I don't feel as though I can connect with people, some people. But
I get it, man.
I still don't feel as though, I feel as though I'm an alien in my own world, do you know what I mean? It's hard work.
I get it, man. It's a bitch. There's nothing more to say.
Yeah,
It's a pain in the ass, man. But we're in it together.
yeah.
We are, man. I'm sorry that you're in the situation that you're in right now.
Don't worry about it.
Well, I mean, I don't feel sorry for you, but I'm empathetic towards it.
Yeah,
You know, I understand.
yeah, I can understand,
I've been low.
And that's what counts to me, to sit and speak to people who sort of been there themselves.
Yeah, man.
Or still there.
Like I said, I got to Liverpool. Been here for 4 days, and I just got in from London, and I just couldn't even leave my hostel for the last 4 days.
Yeah.
Same thing. Doing a trip around the world, you know, doing it to escape depression. Still chases you, man. There's no escaping it.
It's hard. People don't understand it.
No, people don't talk about it enough.
No. I mean, someone came up to me before and she said, what have you done that to your arm for? And I just looked at her, you know, I just didn't want to answer that.
Yeah.
I thought, you know, you don't do stuff like that for nothing. You know, you don't sit there and self-harm for nothing.
Yeah.
You know, some people don't. Some people get it and some people don't get it.
Yeah, man.
But look after yourself anyway.
Hey, man, you as well.
Yeah, yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Today's not the last day, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Promise me.
Promise you, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for
It's heavy. That's really heavy. You just made a suicide pact into my camera. I need a drink after that. Oh, it just hurts. I don't mean to be a bummer, and when someone says that that's their last day, I have to believe that they believe that. I don't know how to end this. I will be coming out with, like, I had fun. There was a Ferris wheel and the sunset and cathedrals. I'm gonna clip together another video for the good parts of Liverpool. Liverpool is a great city. I wasn't in a mindset to give it a fair shot. I am confident that I will be able to make something of the Liverpool video. For my sake, I hope I can. Dude, what's up with bugs? Be good to each other.